Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to share a little of a different way of looking at the squeeze. So we've been talking about this indicator in a lot of the evening videos, and one nice way of looking at it is instead of just looking at a daily or a weekly aggregation, which is two of the most common time frames, to actually come in and combine your data in a slightly different way, where you're looking at 3 days worth of trading information all consolidated into a single bar. So it's a little bit longer than a daily, a little bit shorter than a weekly, and can still clue you in into some of these bigger moves. So, this one was triggered a little bit by earnings, but still the compression and then the resultant price is exactly what you're looking for. So with True, you've got another nice signal in a situation where I think you could look for a bid up into the earnings report. A couple others that will be interesting to follow off some slightly different time frames, but working with the same way of thinking. You've got JP Morgan, that granted has had a big day over the course of the last two sessions, but I don't think this is over. If you come back and look at the 2-day squeeze, in this instance, the signal has yet to fire, and I like this for a target up there into 124. So if you're buying at the highs, consider that you will pull back, but I'm going to stick with the idea, provided we can stay above the lows at 112.67. So True, JP Morgan, and then another one that tends to be pretty popular, Adobe. Now in Adobe, I'm going to change this from not a 2 or a 3-day, but I'm going to bump this one up into a 4-day. And you can see the signal that is just getting ready to fire long. Now with these signals, remember, it's not necessarily like a day trade or a 3 or 5-day signal. You're getting into these looking for more of a, several weeks to potentially months type of trade. If you keep that in the back of your mind, well then the next time you see it down sharply, you know that they may offer some bullish opportunity. So just a slightly way of looking at the squeeze a little differently may help you stay in trades a little bit longer, and I hope you find that helpful.